Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to show you how to go to Aldershot town to North Camp. Now I am in Grosvenor Road. Now I am going to Aldershot town centre. Be careful when you are driving. Always vehicles are parking left side. Keep 3 feet gap between parked vehicles. miles per speed here. I think you can see the color light. From color light we have to turn left. Sometimes examiners they give this route. Sometimes periodically they will change it. You have to turn here, center mirror, brake, left signal. We are turning to Queen's Road now. You can't turn right here. This is one-way road, so we have to turn from next junction. The vehicles are parked in both sides. Be careful. This is a one-way road. We can turn right here. Be careful. Center mirror brake. Then we are coming to Morison's roundabout. Keep left. Center mirror, brake. Be careful, this is the roundabout. Okay, we can go. Keep left. This is Tesco roundabout. Keep left. Center mirror brake. Yeah, now we have to keep right. Center mirror, left, right mirror, turn. 40 miles per speed here. From this Wellinton roundabout, we have to take a third exit. So keep right lane. You can't go to left lane. Center mirror brake. Center mirror, right signal. After this junction exit, center mirror, left signal, take the exit. Now speed 50 miles per hour, so speed up now. Careful, there's a color light here. The passengers are crossing. Now 60 miles per hour. careful. Now we are going to change the lane. Center mirror, left signal, change the lane. Before go to North Camp, I thought to first go to exam center, then we can come back to the North Camp. So stay in the left lane for exam center. This is very important. If you are exam route to the Aldershot, definitely when you are coming back, you should come this lane. This lane only for exam center direction. Now reduce the speed. From here 30 miles per hour. Keep left lane. Keep left. Center mirror, left signal. Center mirror brake. Okay, let's go now. Keep left lane. Another 2 car lights here. Now we speed 40. Speed up, then suddenly speed change into 30 and 20. Keep in your mind. Center mirror, brake. Now speed 30. After few yards again 20. Now change the gear to second. It's a hump. Stay in the left lane. There's a roundabout here, so we have to take the second exit. Center mirror brake. Keep left. We have to go straight, so don't need to signal here. Stay in the left lane. Center mirror, left signal. Now we are close to exam center. 20 miles per hour. We are going to turn now. Center mirror, right signal. Second gear, turn. Now this is exam center. Center mirror, right signal. This is the exam center car park. We are going to turn here and then let's go to North Camp. Now we are going to North Camp. Center mirror, left signal. Keep both side, look both side. Again center mirror, left signal. Look both sides carefully. Be careful, there's a heavy vehicle has parked left side. Slow down, centimeter brake. Here, there's a roundabout here. So this is the first roundabout. You are coming from the exam center. If you are coming from the exam center, so keep left lane. We have to go straight. Stay in the left lane. Centimeter left mirror, left signal. Slow down. When you are coming from the exam center, the examiner will give you two parking. There's a two parking slot here. You can see one parking near black car. Another parking is near the hill. So most probably you need to park here. You can see the white vehicle. Sometimes the examiner will give you this parking slot to left park, left side. Now we are going to North Camp, so stay in the left lane. Slow down, center mirror, brake. We can go now. Stay in the left lane. Keep right now. This is for the North Camp. This is Queen's Roundabout. We need to take first exit. Center mirror, left signal. Right lane. We have to take the third exit. Center mirror, left mirror, brake. This road is now under construction, so be careful. Then we are going to turn to Peabody Road. This is North Camp Town Centre. Center mirror, left signal, turn left. This is Peabody Road. Usually when we are coming from the exam center, you need to go through this way to the Reading Road. Now we are going to North Camp, High Street. Center mirror, left signal. Thank you very much for watching my video.